guys, how's it going? It's David. Real quick, I just want to remind you, we have stickers in. You can feel free to order these by either DMing me on my Instagram or by sending me an email at this link right here. Thank you all and have a great day.
You kids want to buy some horsepower?
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to start off just by doing maybe a little bit of cleaning up around. I'm going to go through, tidy up the engine bay on the Volvo. And then we're going to get started on this Prelude. It's been leaking a mad amount of oil recently. I'm going to go try and dig in and see why it's doing that. And then eventually Chris should get here with the rest of the parts for his brakes. We'll finish putting those together and then we'll get right on to our day. So immediately looking at this, I think something we want to clean up first and foremost would be to do the heater hoses and the AC hoses. I switched them with my fingers, but they're the same idea. And we're going to want to go through, clean up some of this wiring harness, get it tucked away. And there's a lot of oil and residue and crap. I have a can of Purple Power. We're going to go through, spray the whole thing down, and get it all cleaned up. And the hell is this? I forgot what that is. We should probably go through and label lines. Let's do that too. Alright, so I got the hoses pulled away on both things. Probably at a later day we'll go in and we'll disassemble the dash and pull out all of our components that work the heating and air conditioning. But for now we'll just call it good here. That looks like a speedometer cable. Probably what I'm going to do next is I'm going to figure out a way to tuck all these wires away. I would just remount it and clean under it real quick, remount it, and then call it good. These are my power steering hoses. Those need to stay on for a little bit. Ready to go through, clean up this cross brace. Those are our steering rack, our sway bar. And we'll just hit everything. I gotta take this off, this old computer mount. And washer pumps and tank, keep that. And as well as our wiper motor, that'll stay right where it's at. And then we'll go from there. Also, one thing I want to do just real quickly, I want to see if I can pull this battery tray out, if I can restore it. It's getting kind of rusty. I want to see if I can like brush all the rust off and clean it up and repaint it. So we have a clean battery tray to go in our V8 swapped Volvo. Alright, Chris just showed up. He's got a caliper for his sub. Throw that on, and then we're gonna kick him out because this sub's been here too long. Alright, I've got the battery tray out. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna soak it in this purple power, get rid of all the oil and crap. I'm gonna come back in a minute, scrub it down with the wire brush. And I'll set it in the sun, let it dry, wash it off, and we'll paint it. Okay, that's as clean as I care to make it. What I've got here is this Rust-Oleum camouflage paint. I think it's a black, it might be a brown. Either way, it's gonna protect the battery tray much better than it is right now. Oh yeah, it's a brown. Not a good brown either. Onward we go.
Hey, Dave.
What?
Over here.
Okay.
It's empty. Yay!
Jeez. Oh, so it is. Alright, we have Roland the Volvo out. It's the first time it's been in the sunlight for months. I'm gonna go ahead and it's puking fluid. Okay, whatever. Spray it down, get it ready to get cleaned. Okay, we're switching it up. We're getting my black can. There we go. This one's for furniture. Satan. This isn't black either. The hell with it. It's gonna be red.
Rolling.
Alright, that's closer. Do it again.
Holding.
There we go. Those are bled. But Chris's brakes are done. Went through and bled them all now. So all he's got to do is put the wheels back on. And then set it down, take it nice and gently, see how his brakes do. You know, I'm gonna try and push this big old girl back up into the garage. So I think I need a pressure washer to clean it out the way it deserves to be clean. Alright, Volvo's back in the garage. I'm just gonna shoot some clear coat on this battery pan real quick. And we're good. Later on we'll get a power washer down here at some point and wash out the engine bay of the Volvo like it really should be. Until then, we're just gonna let it sit there. So let's go get something to eat. Alright, so here's a surefire way to test your brakes. What you do is you stand in front and the car will start to roll forwards. If you break your knees, that means the brakes aren't working. Alright, Chris. Ow! Skirt.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna eat lunch, clean out the shop a little bit, and I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe we'll do something productive then. Until next time, see you later.
We were productive. We finished my brakes. We all race down here. You've heard of horsepower, but this is manpower. These are all so dumb.
Alright, let's start the video. One of those will be good.